I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Outlook and locating the Rules Manager so you can remove rules safely. This prevents accidental changes to other settings. Once Outlook is open, click File, then Manage Rules and Alerts, or use Home Rules, Manage Rules, depending on your layout. Make sure you pick the right profile or mailbox from the list because rules are mailbox-specific. Selecting the wrong one wastes time. Now that the correct rule list is visible, you're ready for the next step. Identify the rule to delete. You should now scan the rule list and click the rule name to highlight it so you modify exactly what you intend. Once highlighted, decide whether to delete or disable. Delete removes it entirely, whereas unchecking keeps it for later. After picking Delete, Outlook will prompt you to confirm, accept to complete removal. If the rule is server-based, it may take a moment to sync. Be patient, and make sure to review any similar rules so you don't remove something critical by mistake. You finish by clicking Apply, then OK so the change is saved. This pushes updates to the server when applicable. Once done, restart Outlook and monitor incoming mail to confirm the rule no longer acts. If the rule still appears or reactivates, export your rules for backup, then recreate only the necessary ones. This clears corruption. If problems persist, make sure cached mode is off, or use Outlook Web Access to remove server-side rules. Contacting your admin is the last resort if sync errors continue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.